अगर आप थ्रिल सीकर हो तो आपको इन स्पाइन चिलिंग पैरानॉर्मल गेम्स के बारे में जानना चाहिए। ये गेम्स उन लोगों के लिए नहीं हैं जो डरते हैं और इन्हें कभी भी अकेले नहीं खेलना चाहिए। ये पीढ़ी दर पीढ़ी चले आ रहे हैं। हर एक गेम के अपने रूल्स और डरावने कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस हैं। चाहे आप अपनी ब्रेवरी टेस्ट करना चाहो या सिंपली क्यूरियस अबाउट द अननोन, ये गेम्स आपको जरूर चिल्स देंगे। लेट्स सी इफ यू डेयर टू प्ले। But remember, these games are not just for fun. They come with real risks and potential dangers. So proceed with caution and always prioritize your safety. First up is the infamous Bloody Mary. Picture this. आप एक dark room में हो, candle हाथ में है और आप मिरर के सामने Bloody Mary 3 बार चैंट कर रहे हो। ये गेम दशकों से sleepovers और horror stories का एक staple रहा है। The legend of Bloody Mary dates back to the 16th century, with various versions of the story existing around the world. कुछ लोग कहते हैं कि वो एक विच थी, तो कुछ का कहना है कि वो एक रॉन्ग्ड वुमन थी जो बदला लेना चाहती थी। Regardless of the origin, the outcome is always the same. A terrifying encounter with a vengeful spirit. Legend has it, एक vengeful spirit प्रकट होती है। लोगों ने बताया है कि उन्हें बहुत ज्यादा ड्रेड महसूस होता है और कुछ तो कसम खाते हैं कि उन्होंने ghostly figures देखे हैं। The experience can be so intense that some players have been left traumatized. There are countless stories of people who have seen Bloody Mary appear in the mirror, her face twisted in anger, her eyes burning with hatred. कुछ ने तो physical attacks तक report किए हैं। उनके शरीर पर encounter के बाद scratches और bruises आ गए। Think twice before you face that mirror. The game may seem simple, but the consequences can be severe. If you do decide to play, make sure you have a friend nearby and a plan to escape if things go wrong. Next we have the classic Ouija board. आप और आपके फ्रेंड्स एक प्लानशेट यूज करते हैं स्पिरिट्स से मैसेजेस स्पेल आउट करने के लिए। The Ouija board has been a popular tool for communicating with the dead since the 19th century. It was originally marketed as a parlor game, but it quickly gained a reputation for being a gateway to the spirit world. कहा जाता है कि ये बोर्ड स्पिरिट्स को समन कर सकता है, अच्छे और बुरे दोनों, और उन्हें लिविंग के साथ कम्युनिकेट करने देता है। Sounds like a party game, right? But don't be fooled. The Ouija board is not a toy. बहुत लोगों ने इसके बाद terrifying phenomena experience किए हैं, nightmares, strange occurrences, you name it. There are countless stories of people who have used the board and ended up with more than they bargained for. कुछ ने बताया है कि ऑब्जेक्ट्स अपने आप मूव करने लगे, अजीब आवाजें आने लगीं और तो और फुल ब्लोन हॉन्टिंग्स भी हुए। कहा जाता है कि ये बोर्ड स्पिरिट वर्ल्ड का एक पोर्टल खोलता है और एक बार वो पोर्टल खुल जाता है तो उसे बंद करना हमेशा आसान नहीं होता। Wrong. बहुत लोगों ने इसके बाद टेरिफाइंग फिनोमेना एक्सपीरियंस किए हैं, नाइटमेयर्स, स्ट्रेंज occurrences, you name it. The Ouija board is not something to be taken lightly. If you do decide to use it, make sure you follow the rules and take precautions to protect yourself. Always say goodbye at the end of the session and never use the board alone. Opening a channel to the spirit world can invite unwanted guests into your life. Spirits can be unpredictable and dangerous. They can attach themselves to you and follow you home, causing all sorts of problems. If you start to experience strange occurrences after using the board, it's important to seek help from a professional. At number 3, it's the Midnight Man. एक कागज के टुकड़े पर अपना नाम लिखो और मिडनाइट को मिडनाइट मैन को समन करो। कहा जाता है कि इस गेम की शुरुआत एक ओल्ड पेगन रिचुअल से हुई थी जिसका यूज उन लोगों को पनिश करने के लिए किया जाता था जो गॉड्स की बात नहीं मानते थे। The Midnight Man is a dark and malevolent entity that is summoned to torment the player. The game is simple but terrifying. आपको Midnight Man से सुबह 3:33 AM तक बचना है और वो भी अपने डार्क और साइलेंट घर में नेविगेट करते हुए। Then you must avoid him until 3:33 AM. The Midnight Man is said to be relentless in his pursuit. वो आपको कैच करने की कोशिश करेगा और अगर वो कर लेता है तो consequences बहुत बुरे होंगे। Players have reported panic attacks, hallucinations, and unexplainable shadows. The game is a true test of your mental limits and your ability to stay calm under pressure. If he catches you, the consequences are dire. Panic attacks, hallucinations, and unexplainable shadows are just some of the scary reports. The Midnight Man is not to be taken lightly. If you do decide to play, make sure you have a plan to stay safe and avoid him at all costs. This game will test your mental limits. It's not just about physical endurance, but also about your ability to stay calm and focused in the face of fear. If you start to feel overwhelmed, it's important to stop the game and seek help. Coming in fourth is the closet game. एक क्लोजेट में एक कैंडल के साथ एंटर करो, 10 तक काउंट करो और फिर एग्जिट करो। कहा जाता है कि इस गेम से एक स्पिरिट समन होता है जो आपके पीछे क्लोजेट से बाहर आएगा। कहा जाता है कि ये स्पिरिट मेलेवलेंट है और ये हर तरह के टेरिफाइंग एनकाउंटर्स का कारण बनेगा. Players have reported whispering, cold presences, and even physical attacks. The game is simple but incredibly dangerous. Allegedly, एक spirit आपके पीछे आएगा, leading to terrifying encounters, whispering, cold presences. Players ने ये सब report किया है. The closet game is not something to be taken lightly. If you do decide to play, make sure you have a plan to stay safe and protect yourself from the spirit. This game not only raises your heart rate, but also opens doors to unsettling experiences. The spirit that follows you out of the closet can cause all sorts of problems, from strange noises to physical attacks. If you start to experience any of these things, it's important to seek help from a professional. Finally, the Charlie Charlie game. Pencils को cross shape में balance करो और पूछो कि क्या Charlie present है. Seems innocent, right? This game has become popular in recent years, especially among teenagers. कहा जाता है कि इस गेम से चार्ली नाम का एक स्पिरिट समन होता है, जो पेंसिल्स को मूव करके आपके क्वेश्चंस का आंसर देगा. The game is simple, but can lead to terrifying encounters. Well, participants ने eerie responses और उसके बाद strange happenings report किए हैं. The game may seem innocent, but it can quickly turn terrifying. Players have reported the pencils moving on their own, strange noises, and even physical attacks. The game is not something to be taken lightly. The line between fun and fear can blur quickly, leading to unexpected and chilling encounters. If you do decide to play, make sure you have a plan to stay safe and protect yourself from the spirit. So there you have it. 5 paranormal games जो शायद fun लगें, लेकिन उनके साथ serious risks भी हैं. These games are not just for entertainment. They can have real and dangerous consequences. If you do decide to play, make sure you take precautions to protect yourself and always prioritize your safety. If you choose to dabble in the unknown, remember to prioritize your safety and mental well-being. These games can be incredibly dangerous, and it's important to take them seriously. If you start to experience any strange occurrences, seek help from a professional. आप क्या सोचते हैं? क्या आपने इनमें से कोई गेम ट्राई किया है? Share your experiences in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more chilling content. Stay spooky, everyone. Your stories and experiences can help others understand the risks and dangers of these games. So share your thoughts and stay safe.